What's up, guys? Today we're looking at that Texas utility trailer, the TUT. It's a 9,890 pound GVWR tandem axle utility trailer. The one we have today is set up more for hauling tractors and kind of general use around the farm, things like that. So we're gonna jump right into it. This one is a 22 foot. The TUT is available from 16 all the way to 22 feet. Up at the front, it's gonna come standard with that storage box with the workable deck space lid on top. Inside, you got room for all your straps and things like that you would need for securing your equipment. It's got the adjustable Demco coupler, the new safety cables versus chains, a 7K drop leg jack. One thing that's cool about this, going back to the box, is that your spare actually recesses in the tongue up under the box. Keeps it out of the way. Most utility trailers have your spare on the side. And so again, it keeps it clear, keeps you be able to see in your mirrors going down the road. You can see your fenders to be able to monitor your tires. And of course, like on a truck, you don't need the spare until you need it. So it's up out of the way. Then moving back, you can see the TUT was redesigned with some really cool uprights that have laser tie downs cut into the uprights. You can see this strap is already hooked up there. It gives you ultimate tie down capability on every single upright around the trailer. That's really cool. The TUT is a 4-inch channel structural frame, 4-inch engineered tongue for the framework. That tongue does wrap all the way back to the front of your suspension, so it really gives you a lot of strength and support in this area of the trailer. It is a 2 3/8 balled-in pipe top rail. Moving back to the fender, the fender is a new design for the TUT. We robbed it off of the redesign of the LPX, which is one of our equipment trailers. It's more of a Jeep style fender. It's heavier duty than your standard industry standard 16 gauge, 14 gauge fender. It's heavier, so it's gonna stand up for longer, but also just looks really nice. The TUT has two 6,000 pound axles, so a little bit of overkill. It's rated at right at that 10,000 pound range, but we put a little bit heavier axles on it, just knowing that these types of trailers tend to get overloaded pretty commonly. So it definitely has a little bit of extra support in the 6,000 pound axles. It is a slipper spring suspension, so it's gonna be a little stronger, last a little longer than what your normal utility trailer suspension would be, an eye-to-eye suspension. Moving back, the TUT also is standard with a 2-foot dovetail. What's cool about this is it really makes loading and unloading anything like, say, a zero-turn mower that has a low deck clearance, or you have in a pinch you need to put a car on this trailer. It definitely helps with that because it makes the loading approach from the ground up to the deck much more gradual, and your breakover point is not so harsh. So it gives you a little better load angle, and it's just really cool too, this kind of laser grip style where you've got these slots. It's somewhat self-cleaning, so if you were to load something muddy, it's kind of pushing through there, but also it provides some traction. The TUT, this one is outfitted with the tractor gate with knee. It's also available with our signature bifold gate or the tractor gate with no knee. So this TUT, again, when I mentioned in the intro, talking about it being more like hauling tractors and kind of more farm oriented, that's where the tractor gate with knee comes in, really shines, because it's, again, I'll put it down in a second, but it helps support the trailer a lot better when you've got a heavier piece of equipment like a tractor or a small skid steer, things like that. Super easy to operate. It's one pin on each side. Spring loaded, so it's easy to put down and pick up, and you can see just a really beautiful loading surface. Got self-cleaning cleats on the outside for maximum traction. Then you've got expanded metal in the center if you're loading, say, like a tricycle tractor or something like that. It really is versatile in terms of what you can load on the gate. You can see when I put it down, the knee is right above the ground. So what that does is, as that load transfers from the gate to the back of the trailer, it really supports the rear end of the trailer behind the axle, so that it takes a lot of that stress off. So the tractor gate's a great option if you're doing all kinds of utility stuff, be it side-by-sides, ATVs, but then need to go haul a tractor or skid steer, things like that. The TUT, like the rest of the Diamond C lineup, has the DM coating system, beautiful long-lasting finish, automotive grade wiring harness, all LED lights, and it is backed by the industry's best warranty, a 6-year structural warranty, 2-year comprehensive warranty that covers all of your components. Jump on diamondc.com. There you can build a TUT to your length, your color, outfit it with the Venture Edition, which we have as well. It's like the off-road package, bifold, straight gate, all the things to make it fit the lifestyle you want to live and the fun you want to have.